Alright, what's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today I got an absolutely insane, beautiful, I'm talking beautiful, head-to-toe 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 LTZ Z71 decked out. 6 inches of lift, by the way, a Pro Comp Fox coilovers up front with reservoirs. It's sitting on a set of chrome 20x10 fuel Mavericks, wrapped in the only best MT out on the market, Toyo MTs. Got about 98% tread. Folks, this truck has tons and tons of upgrades. If you guys are not familiar with my website, make sure you go to my website. It'll give you an individual list of all the upgrades that have been done. You can find that website at DLUXmotorsports.com. That's spelled DLUX motorsports.com. Make sure you guys hang out for just a couple minutes. I'm going to start this truck up too so you guys can hear the absolutely beautiful sounding upgraded Borla exhaust. Again, the interior, easily a 9.5 out of 10. The interior of this truck is absolutely insanely clean. WeatherTech mats, nothing but outside of just normal, you know, somebody sitting in the driver's seat. The back seats, I don't even think I've ever been sat in. The back seats are insanely clean. Sunroof. Folks, this has all the upgrades from factory, all the way down to AC seats, heated seats. You also have lane assist as well, park assist, and then pedal adjustment, factory navigation. You can see the passenger seat is in absolutely wonderful condition as well. Probably barely sat in either. Center console, everything about this truck screams new. It's got just over 90,000 miles. But like I said, folks, this thing is absolutely in a condition of a truck that probably has 20,000 miles. You guys can see the reflection. You can see me in the paint. Look, let's go. Come on, baby. Anyway, paint is flawless. I can't say flawless. I'd be lying. Near flawless. It's got a couple rock chips here and there. Just typical road use that you would expect. One little rock chip down there. You'll find maybe a few here or there. Obviously, it's a 17. It's not a brand new truck. But damn if this thing is in an extremely, extremely good shape. Drop hitch. I'll give you guys a shot of the undercarriage as well. Sliding Rotano cover. You can see the frame, absolutely zero rust. Give you guys a shot of the pumpkin underneath. Fox shocks, like I said. Pumpkin still, I mean, black as it gets, baby. Come on. Anyway, so if you're looking for a rust-free 17 Chevy, folks, this has the 6.2 liter V8. Okay, it's the best. I'm talking one of the best motors to have in this 1500. 17 Z71, and then you have the 8-speed tranny. So best trans in these years. Also, like I said, you get the 6.2 liter instead of the basic 5.3. This truck produces a decent amount of power. Is plenty powerful. Again, you can see how glossy the paint is. The paint's like, you can see the reflection everywhere. Z71. Again, good shot of the rubber. You have some light pitting on the wheels here and there. If you get down close, you can see some light pit marks. Very common on chrome wheels, unfortunately, after about a year of them being on the truck. That's very typical. All right, for those of you guys that stuck around, let's hear this Borla exhaust. Woo-wee! It is about 50 degrees out, so you're seeing just like the condensation in the air. Again, aftermarket Borla exhaust. It does have catalytic converter, so it will pass any state inspection. We just had it fully serviced here in Virginia. It's passed our Virginia state inspection, which is very vigorous. I think it's a 126-point inspection that these trucks go through. Anything that needed to be serviced was serviced. Like I said, more information will be directly on our website. If you guys have any direct questions, you call us, 540-898-1300. We also ship vehicles nationwide. So if you're out of state, if you want to ship to your doorstep from here to California, give you an idea, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of $1,400 to ship it to your doorstep. If you're in a closer state, obviously less expensive. Places like North Carolina, South Carolina, we're talking $300-400 to your doorstep. If you need more video of the truck, being that you're out of state and you don't have time to fly here or drive here, and you want us to ship it to your door, I'll be more than happy to take any other type of videos, any other type of pictures that may make your decision a lot easier. I think over the past 2 months, I've already shipped like 7, 8, 9 vehicles to customers out of state that never seen the vehicles in person, but we're very descriptive. This video should help you guys out a lot that are out of state. If you guys are local, more than happy to come check it out. If you're out of state and you want to drive, definitely come check it out. It is a beautiful, beautiful truck. Again, I'm gonna go through the passenger. Let me go through the passenger side real quick so you can see the passenger area. Like I said, I mean, look at the seats. They barely look like they've been sat in, and this is a 90,000 mile truck, which just screams, it screams that, you know, whoever owned this truck obviously took care of it, you know, and if they keep it this nice cosmetically, you guys know as well as me, that means that they mechanically took care of it just as much. So again, 2017 Z71 Chevy Silverado 1500 LTZ. It's got the big, famous 6.2 liter V8 backed up with the 8-speed tranny. If you guys have any questions, make sure you give us a call, 540-898-1300. Again, we're located right here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. Till next time, till next video, until the next badass truck that we post. If you guys got questions, give us a call. Till next time, y'all take it easy.